You already know Shodan. You know VirusTotal. You've probably got ExploitDB bookmarked somewhere. Those are the famous ones. The ones in every beginner guide, every YouTube list, every cybersecurity course. But there's a second category. Websites that working security professionals quietly have open in their browser every single day and almost never mention publicly. Not because they're secret, just because nobody makes content about them. 4 of them, all free to start. All useful enough that once you know they exist, you'll wonder how you did this work without them. All 4 sites are legitimate security research platforms used by professionals worldwide. Use them for authorized research, ethical hacking within scope, and monitoring your own exposure. Legal and ethical use only. Website number 1, GreyNoise.io. Here's a problem that every SOC analyst and threat hunter hits constantly, but almost nobody talks about publicly. When you're investigating suspicious traffic hitting your network, IPs probing your systems, scanning your ports, knocking on services, you need to know whether what you're seeing is a real, targeted threat, or whether it's just the internet being the internet. Because about 80% of the suspicious activity hitting any publicly exposed server is background noise, automated scanners, research organizations crawling the entire internet, bots doing mass sweeps of every IP in every subnet. None of it targeted, none of it meaningful. GreyNoise solves that exact problem. It maintains a global network of sensors specifically designed to capture this internet background radiation. Every scanner, every bot, every research crawler that sweeps across the entire internet indiscriminately, and it classifies all of it. When an IP shows up in your logs, you can check it against GreyNoise and get a clear answer. Is this a known internet scanner? A research organization? A botnet doing mass exploitation? Or is this something that's never been seen doing opportunistic scanning, meaning it might actually be a targeted threat worth your attention? That distinction cuts alert fatigue dramatically. SOC teams using it have reported 25% or more reduction in alerts they actually have to investigate. The free tier is genuinely useful. Search IPs, check intent, see what's actively scanning for specific CVEs. The visualizer at viz.greynoise.io is worth opening right now if you want to see what's actively being scanned across the internet in real time. GreyNoise.io, the tool that tells you what's noise and what actually matters. Website number 2, LeakIX.net. Most people know Shodan shows you open ports and running services. LeakIX does something Shodan fundamentally doesn't. It shows you what's actually leaking out of those services. The distinction matters more than it sounds. An open port on Shodan tells you a service is running and accessible. LeakIX tells you if that service is handing data to anyone who connects. If a MongoDB on port 27017 is running with no authentication and you query it, LeakIX shows you the database names and collection counts inside. If an Elasticsearch instance is publicly accessible, LeakIX shows you the index names and record counts it's exposing. If a web server has a .env file sitting in a publicly accessible directory with database credentials in it, LeakIX has it indexed. That is a fundamentally different kind of intelligence. You're not just seeing surface exposure, you're seeing actual data leakage. Misconfigured S3 buckets with public listing, exposed .git directories, staging servers with authentication disabled, Kubernetes dashboards without access control, development environments that got spun up and forgotten. LeakIX also operates with a responsible disclosure model. They give a 30-day grace period before anything critical becomes publicly visible, during which hosting companies and CERTs get notified. That's the right way to run a platform like this. Free tier for basic searches. The plugin-based architecture means results are specific. It's not just showing you a port is open, it's showing you what came out when they poked it. LeakIX.net. Go search your own organization's domain right now and see what it finds. Website number 3, urlscan.io. This one is the most immediately useful for anyone doing phishing investigation, malware analysis, or threat hunting, and it's one of the cleanest interfaces in security research. urlscan.io lets you visit any URL without actually visiting it. You submit a URL, and it loads the page in a sandboxed browser, isolated, instrumented, completely safe, and records everything that happens. full page screenshot. Every HTTP request the page made. Every domain and IP it contacted. JavaScript it executed. Cookies it tried to set. Resources it loaded. DOM snapshot. Technology stack. All of it. Documented and stored permanently. Think about what that means practically. Someone sends you a suspicious link. Instead of clicking it, or trying to spin up a VM and load it manually, you paste it into urlscan.io, and within a few seconds you have a complete behavioral profile of that page. You can see if it's pulling resources from known malicious infrastructure. You can see if it's trying to redirect to a phishing kit. You can see the actual page content without exposing your machine or your IP. The historical search is where it becomes genuinely powerful for investigation. Over 800 million scans indexed, searchable by domain, IP, certificate hash, ASN, page content, technology stack. If you have one malicious domain and you want to find 10 others running on the same infrastructure, you search by the shared IP or the TLS certificate fingerprint, and they surface immediately. Free for public scans. No account required for most use cases. Paid tiers for private scans and higher API limits. urlscan.io. Your sandbox for URLs you'd never actually click. Public www.com. This last one covers an angle that almost nothing else touches, and it's one of the most immediately useful sites in bug bounty research and threat intelligence work. Public www is a source code search engine. It indexes the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS source code of hundreds of millions of websites and lets you search through all of it. You're not searching page titles or meta descriptions. You're searching the actual code. The security applications are significant. If a specific crypto mining script gets embedded in compromised websites, you search public www for that script's signature and find every site it's running on. If a phishing kit uses a distinctive piece of HTML structure or a specific variable name in its JavaScript, you can find every instance of that kit currently deployed across the web. If a vulnerability gets disclosed in a specific JavaScript library, say a particular version of a payment processing plugin with a known RCE, you can find every website currently loading that version. Bug bounty hunters use it to map which companies are running specific technologies before even looking at a program's scope. Threat intelligence analysts use it to track malware distribution at scale. Security researchers use it to find patterns across compromised infrastructure. All 4 links are in the description. Start with the free tiers. Spend a few minutes on each one and run a search on something you're actually investigating. Drop a like if this was useful. Subscribe for more content like this, and tell me in the comments, which of these 4 was completely new to you? See you in the next one.